Welcome to your guide on the Ninja Double Stack XL Countertop Oven and Air Fryer. Only Ninja has the convenience of a FlexDoor, which creates two separate ovens so you can cook two meals, two ways at different temperatures and cooking times. The top rapid oven is best for making quick snacks, appetizers, sides, and sheet pan meals. Cook in the bottom convection and air fry oven for larger roasts, bakes, or air frying. You can sync both independent ovens to cook a full-course meal that finishes cooking at the same time, thanks to Ninja's Smart Finish with dual zone technology. Or you can cook separately in each oven for ultimate cooking flexibility. Then, while your meal cooks in the top and bottom ovens, Flavor Seal technology prevents flavor crossover between ovens, so your flavors stay totally separate. Plus, this countertop dual oven features 12 different cooking functions. It comes with an air fry basket that fits up to 6 pounds of wings, 2 sheet pans, 2 wire racks, and a removable crumb tray to reduce mess. One crumb tray is included primarily for use in the top oven to protect any grease buildup or crumbs. The crumb tray can also fit in the bottom oven if desired, but is not necessary. The top oven has one available rack position that the wire rack will be placed in. Place the sheet pan on the wire rack when needed or remove when using the toast and bagel functions. The bottom oven has 2 available rack positions. Always position the air fry basket on level 2 and wire rack in level 1. This positioning optimizes airflow so that hot air reaches all sides of your air frying foods, so you get crispy, even results. When cooking on a sheet pan, the sheet pan will rest on the wire rack in level 1 position. Each cook function corresponds to a specific oven and rack level. For best results, use only the recommended accessories for each function, and remove others from the oven, which you can find in the inspiration guide that comes with the double stack oven. The FlexDoor creates 2 separate ovens, allowing you to use the top oven independently from the bottom oven. All you have to do is press the FlexDoor button on the oven handle to open just the top oven, or pull on the handle to access both the top and bottom ovens. The Ninja Double Stack XL Countertop Oven and Air Fryer is also engineered with Smart Finish with dual zone technology that syncs both ovens so that they finish cooking at the same time. With 2 ovens in one, you can make an entire meal for the whole family without back-to-back cooking, or having part of your meal turn cold while you wait for the rest to finish. First, place chicken and veggies on a sheet pan. Then place the chicken nuggets and French fries in the air fry basket. Power on the unit. Press top and turn the dial to select your desired cooking function. For this meal, use the bake function. Press top again to confirm the function selection. Then press the temp shade button and turn the dial to set the cook temperature for the top oven function. I'm going to set mine to 400 degrees. Press again to confirm the setting. Press time slices button and turn the dial to set the cook time for the top oven function, which I will set to about 20 to 25 minutes. Press again to confirm the setting. Then press bottom and follow the same steps to set the cooking function, times, and temperatures for the bottom oven. I'll be using the air fry function cooked at 400 degrees for about 25 to 30 minutes. Once your top and bottom ovens are set, press the Smart Finish button. Lastly, press the Start-Stop dial to begin preheating. When preheating is complete, just place the chicken and veggies sheet pan meal on the wire rack in the top oven and insert the air fry basket in level 2 position in the bottom oven and close the door. The oven with the shorter cook time will display hold until the time matches the other oven. This is so much faster than back-to-back cooking.